tiger, roar of a tiger. Who are tigers? Tiger is our national animal of India. So today in our Pathshala we are going to make tigers, and it will be the combination of a origami and a paper cutting with a small tiny tail and a beautiful tiger face. See, this two tiger has been made by yellow cottage paper. So let's start our tiger. So for the tiger we need a big paper like this, 12 semi by 12 semi square paper. This to a strip is almost 4 centimeter width with 20 centimeter long, and this is a rectangle of 9 centimeter as long and 7 centimeters width, and this is a small strip to make my tail of the tiger. Let's start. See how easily we can make origami tiger, which is our national animal, within just 7 to 8 minutes. But hey, wait, since it's our Pathshala, we will not only make a origami tiger, we will definitely learn something about tiger, because tiger is our national animal and it has many interesting information to share with all of you. But I will not share those information with you. I have someone else today. Someone special guest of our Pathshala has joined to share some information about tiger with all of us. Who is he? His name is Amrik. He is only a 5-year-old boy, your little friend, but he is a so much animal lover. He has lots of information about animals. So let's go to Amrik, and Amrik, please come and join us and tell us something about tiger. And we will call Amrik the animal freak Amrik, because he is really a very freak and lovable.
I'm checking out my favorite animal, tiger. Tigers are national animal of India. They are yellow in color and black stripes. Tigers are mammals. They give birth to the baby. Tigers' babies are called cubs. They're very cute and beautiful, and they drink mother's milk. Tigers are from the cat family. They have 4 legs, 1 big tail, yellow in color, and black stripes. Tigers are mammals. Tigers' scientific names are called painted tigers. Tigers are only live in the Asia continent. They are found in the India, Sri Lanka, and China, and Russia. Tigers are called white Bengal tiger. They are yellow in color and black stripes, and they know how to swim with the crocodile. Brilliant tigers are orange in color, black stripes, and they're living in the snow, and they're fatty and furry. A white tiger which is only found in the Asia continent. They're white in color and black stripes. There's another type of tiger, that is the black tiger, which is only found in the jungle of Brazil. Nowadays, some hunters kill tiger. Please don't kill the tigers.